Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, that's my father Chad, and today we're checking out a pretty sweet 1962 Chevy Impala.
What do you think of those glass packs, Big D?
Sounds great, don't it?
I like it. I don't like it on, I wouldn't like it on like a Chevelle, but on a 62 Impala, something like this, late 50s, early 60s, I think it's perfect.
Yeah.
So, this one's what I classify as just an absolute survivor car. It's had one repaint, 283, original 283 two barrel, but don't worry guys, this thing goes down the road awesome, right? The kickdown works, Powerglide transmission, it's got power steering, it's got power brakes. Like I said, original paint under here, original paint here, firewall.
I like the old generator still.
Inners.
So we got the old generator still.
It's got brand new fuel system in it. Sits there and purrs. I mean, this is one we can do the video of it running.
Yeah.
The whole time.
I mean, this is believed to be 23,000 original mile
It's
car.
kind of a crazy, stupid story that, it's hard to say. When something's 23,000 miles, it's really hard to believe, but that's just what the previous owner had stated. I know it's original interior, but we can't, without the documentation, we can't say.
Yeah. Either 23 or 123, either way, it's just very original, good car.
Either way, it's low,
yeah.
Right? And you can tell it's been very well cared for. Hood fits good to the fender here. The cowl's sucked down just a little bit there. And this is an older restore as far as, like I said, survivor, older repaint, I should say. All original trim, chrome, still in really good shape. Nice straight old car. I love the color combination on it. This one too is just a beautiful driver, cruise night car. Take this one to any local car show, be proud of it. I'd say the repaint was done probably 30 years ago.
Yeah, still's got a great look.
Oh yeah, it's got a good shine too. The boys buffed it all out.
Tell us about the wheel and tire choice.
Well, a good customer of ours, Jeff, that trades three times a year probably. He bought this one, absolutely loved it, did his thing to it probably what, 3-4 months ago. Put the wheel and tire combination on it, put a new fuel system in it. When he got it, he loved it, but he just wanted that little more power, so he traded for a freaking 500 horsepower Chevelle. So kind of an extreme, but both were great cars. So we love having.
But he put that wheel and tire combination on it, and
he goes, Chad, every time I sell you something, you always put chrome wheels on it or torque thrust or something. Just try this. This is old school. So I said, you know what, Jeff, I'm going to give it a try.
For you, we'll try it,
I said, I'll try it for 2 weeks, Jeff. If it don't sell, I'm going back to the torque thrust, but I do kind of like it.
Yeah, I do too.
It took me a long time to look at it to even know that the tires and wheels were different.
I didn't know until I came out and did pictures.
You're like, Dad, did you know that?
Yeah.
Anyway, you want to pop the trunk in this.
Oh yeah.
Back bumpers scuffed just a little bit, just worn. But again, all the trim and stainless, stuff like that's all original. Top of the trunk lid fits nice. And I like this white. It's that ermine white that, just that little off-white. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's another thing Jeff would do. Get the right spare and jack and go through all the numbers. And that's really nice. Top of the back seat's a little bit sun-faded, like you'd expect. Doors open and close, excellent. Rubbers have been replaced during restoration. Door panels are original. They might have recovered the bottom carpet. Seats are 100% original. Look at that. See the little fade on it?
Yep. And the carpet, carpet looks nice, but also in some spots it looks like it could be...
it's original carpet. You can see where it's worn a little bit in spots. Headliner's definitely original. It's got a few little safety pins up there, guys, above the driver's side head where the stitching came loose. Dash, steering wheel, everything's bone stock. Looks great. It really does. Isn't that sweet?
Yeah. It's a cool car. And I passed it coming in.
Yeah.
When Jim and Jeannie had it on the trailer bringing it back from Jeff's, and I was passing it on the highway, and I'm like, damn, I I never didn't, you know, it didn't look like the same car. I mean, it looks like a show car when you go past it, or even from right here.
Well, here's the thing. Look at the stance. I mean, the stance on this thing is just all muscle.
Yeah, it's beautiful with the tail lights. And
worst part about the whole car, it's got just a few little bubbles right here, guys. Again, paint job's probably 30 years old, so what's here is here on it. Door fits great. Back of the hood lines up nice. Let's roll the back windows up right away, should we?
Yeah.
That way if we decide. Man, this goes up nice too. It's original roof rail rubber over here, Dalt.
Yeah, same thing here. Looks like original kind of felt.
Yep. Windows go up super smooth. They look like they're sealed here too. Rear view mirrors nice and tight. We're gonna try the heater fan right away. Perfect. The dome lights work with the door.
And
Yeah, original radio works.
Says a lot about it right there, huh?
that you get on social media. Yeah, all you do is you say something.
I just love the sound of this thing.
It's just a 283 stock motor, you know, 2-barrel Powerglide. Oil pressure's at 30 pounds. It's already warmed up to 190. It's got the old moon equipped tack over here, and it's in the right spot. Doesn't even matter. Let's see, there's our lights. Here's the vent. It's kind of nice. And the tack. Okay, we're good. Car good too. Look at the paint on that dash. I mean, it's like perfect original, isn't it?
It's awesome.
All right, you get one down now. Ooh,
It's hot.
Hot
It's so
box.
humid. It's just been so humid.
it's like 90% humidity.
Oh, it's terrible.
Feels like we're in Florida.
Yeah, it does.
So, gas gauge works, horn works, engine light works, bright lights work on the dash, everything works. So the cool thing with the sound of this, you don't have to have a ton of power, it still sounds cool.
Yeah.
Here's our brakes, absolutely perfect. Really good brakes. I think Mark did the brakes on this thing. First time we had it. Speedometer works perfect as well. Yeah,
nice
283 2-barrel. We're already doing 50. Shifted a second.
Goes down the road good.
Drives it frickin' self, man. 65, 70, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like I said, it's just a nice cruiser. Get out and have some fun with it. Enjoy the road. Good one to take out on Route 66, you know?
It would be a cool one for that. Reminds me like kind of like an old grease lightning car.
It's freaking cool. I mean, we drive so many high horsepower cars. It's kind of nice to sit back, relax, and one of these bench seats and just chill.
This cruising one.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah, all the windows go up really nice.
Yeah, they're smooth. Like I said, turning signal indicator works too. It's just a really good car. You know, just like all the cars that we try to sell, we try to run them all through the shop. So everyone's just, you know, things happen, but we want everyone just to be able to hopefully get behind the wheel and just enjoy them right away. You know, that's our hope, and you know, that's your hope and dream too, to be able to do that.
Absolutely.
So we do everything we can to try to make that happen.
Yep. I think this one definitely getting a good car here.
Yeah. I think it's good. The training shift's good. One time. That's all that's going to happen.
Yep, what a nice little Impala. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. Take you right to the website where you can see all the pictures and information. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.